Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search on Google with a picture. So you can learn how you can use the Google Lens on your phone. I have already opened my Google, which is on my Chrome. Then to search with a picture, you can see this is the search column. Then you'll see there's a camera icon in here. So what you need to do is just click on it. So there are two options with this. You can use or search with your camera, or you can also choose a photo from your gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go with camera first. Let's say I want to find, okay, I'm gonna find this laptop right here. So I'm going to point my camera to my laptop. Okay, click on this, then click on this find icon, shutter button to search. Click on this magnifying icon right here. Okay, so now it will have the matching image like this. You can see now the image shown is the picture of a monitor or computer monitor, and that's the first option. Or you can always go back, and then here I'm going to go with the picture in my gallery. So you can just scroll down and then find the image on your gallery. Okay, so let's say I want to find this picture. You can see now the search or the result will be something related to the picture that I choose in my gallery. Okay, so if you like with the result, you can just click on one of the link and it will be open. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.